All right, get ready to dive deep into the Yucatan Peninsula with us today.
We're going to be checking out all the highlights based on a YouTube channel called World Wild Hearts.
They're travel vloggers, and they spent 2 months exploring.
2 whole months.
Yeah, 2 months in the Yucatan. So we're going to sort of take their top 10 picks.
And break them down. Exactly.
Give you the need-to-know info.
And just kind of imagine, planning a trip there yourself.
Help you visualize it.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so their list is a ranked list, but of course, you got to tailor it to your own interests.
Of course.
Everyone's different.
Mm.
So, first up, let's get away from the crowds.
Okay, where are we going?
We're going to Rio Lagartos, which is a little gem on the coast.
This is a small fishing village.
Untouched beauty.
Yeah.
I like it already.
It's known for its natural beauty.
Yeah.
A slower pace of life. You can actually take a boat tour through the Biosphere Reserve
Oh, nice.
and see all kinds of wildlife. Flamingos,
Wow.
crocodiles. Crocodiles? I thought those were more of a Florida thing.
Well, you're right. Alligators are more common in Florida, but the Yucatan has what's called a Morlays crocodile.
Oh,
Fascinating species. Thrives in the coastal lagoons.
very cool.
You can also take a side trip to Las Coloradas.
Yes. The pink lagoons, right?
Lagoons.
I saw pictures. That's amazing.
They're salt evaporation ponds.
Oh, wow.
And because of the high salt concentration, it creates these vibrant pink hues.
Unbelievable. All right, so that's Rio Lagartos, a nice quiet place to start. Now I'm curious about cenotes.
Oh, yes. We have to talk about the cenotes.
Yes, tell me everything. What are they all about?
They're basically these sinkholes. They were formed over centuries.
Mm.
The limestone bedrock collapses and reveals these crystal clear pools of water.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
And they're not just beautiful.
Right.
They were sacred to the ancient Mayans.
Oh, yeah, they were considered gateways to the underworld, right?
Exactly. Mystical power, spiritual connection.
I can see why. And World Wild Hearts explored a few different ones, so what are the different types?
Well, you have your open-air cenotes. They're like these shimmering turquoise pools.
Oh, nice.
Surrounded by lush vegetation. And then you have others that are partially or fully enclosed within caves.
Oh, wow.
So you get that sense of mystery.
So there's a cenote for every type of person out there.
Exactly. Whether you want, a tranquil swim or a thrilling dive.
Yeah?
Or exploration of ancient underwater caves.
All right, that's awesome. So that's cenotes. And next up, we are headed to a place that seems to have a bit of everything. Playa del Carmen.
Playa del Carmen.
That's like...
It's definitely more on the touristy side,
Okay.
but it has a strategic location.
Oh, okay.
So it's good for a base to explore nearby attractions,
Okay.
like those cenotes.
All right, so you can kind of get a mix. You can do nature, but then you can also have some fun, I guess, in Playa del Carmen.
Exactly, exactly. And World Wild Hearts, they specifically recommended a couple of cenotes near Playa,
Okay.
Sacacton and Cenote Azul.
How cool. And I know Playa del Carmen also has that famous Fifth Avenue.
Yes, lots of shops, restaurants,
Okay, cool.
international vibe.
Very cool. And just a short ferry right away is Cozumel, which, if you like the water, it's a must.
Oh yes, Cozumel, a diver's paradise.
All right, what's so great about it?
Well, it's actually part of the Mesoamerican Reef,
Okay.
which is the second largest barrier reef system in the world.
Wow, second.
Incredible diversity of marine life there. Stunning coral formations.
Wow. Do you know, how many species of fish there are there?
No, I think it's over 500.
Wow, okay.
And 60 species of coral.
Wow, that's amazing. And World Wild Hearts, where did they dive or snorkel?
Well, they said El Cielo was pretty magical.
Oh, cool.
It's a shallow sandbar, very clear water, lots of starfish and stingrays.
Oh, wow. That sounds amazing.
They said it felt like swimming in an aquarium.
Wow.
And they also said that El Salito was the most beautiful beach they'd ever seen.
Oh, wow.
Pristine white sand, shallow turquoise waters.
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, so we got Cozumel, and then next up is another island, Isla Mujeres, right across from Cancun.
Yes, Isla Mujeres.
So what's that like?
It's much more peaceful,
Okay.
laid back, a true escape.
Nice.
And World Wild Hearts recommends exploring by bicycle.
Oh, nice.
Soak up that laid-back charm.
That sounds awesome. I can picture it now.
There's a spot called Punta Sur, which is the southernmost point of the island.
Okay.
And you can actually find ancient Mayan ruins there.
Oh, wow. On the island.
Yeah, perched on these dramatic cliffs overlooking the Caribbean.
Okay. And where are the sunsets best?
Oh, they said North Beach
Oh, my.
for magical sunsets.
Okay. So we got Mayan ruins,
Mm-hmm.
magical sunsets, laid-back vibe.
Yep.
Sounds pretty good.
Sounds pretty good.
All right, and let's move on to Bacalar, which is home to the Lagoon of Seven Colors. I have some pictures. It's unbelievable.
I know.
7 shades of blue. So tell me more about that.
It's basically this huge lake, and it's known for its crystal clear water and varying shades of blue.
Wow.
And there's a scientific reason behind it, too.
Okay.
They're called stromatolites.
Stromatolites. What are those?
They are some of the oldest evidence of life on Earth, actually.
What?
Yeah, layered rock formations created by microorganisms.
Wow. Okay, that's amazing. And how do you see the lake?
You can do it by motorboat, sailboat, kayak,
Oh, nice.
stand-up paddleboard even.
Okay. So there's lots of different ways to see it.
Mm-hmm.
And World Wild Hearts, did they have any like must-see spots on the lake?
They recommended checking out Los Rapidos, which is like a narrow channel where the current picks up.
Oh.
So it kind of creates like a natural lazy river.
Oh, that sounds fun.
And then there's also Pirates Channel,
Okay.
which is shallow, crystal clear.
Sounds beautiful.
Very serene.
Very nice. Okay, so from these amazing lagoons, let's move on to Uxmal. What's special about that?
Kumal,
Uxmal.
place of turtles.
Oh, okay, I like it already.
Sea turtles. It's known for its abundance of sea turtles.
Oh, wow. So you can swim with them there.
You can. Hundreds of sea turtles arrive each summer to lay their eggs.
Oh, wow, that sounds amazing.
It's quite the spectacle. But, obviously,
Sustainability is important.
sustainability is key here,
Yeah.
protecting their nesting habitat. So there are limits to how many visitors can go each day,
Okay.
and guided tours are mandatory
Okay.
to minimize disturbance.
Good. World Wild Hearts, did they have any tips for Uxmal?
Yeah, they said even though some beaches are reserved for resorts,
Okay.
there's a public access point
Oh, good.
where you can still, enjoy the beauty
Good to know.
and hopefully catch a glimpse of the sea turtles.
Amazing. All right, well, from sea turtles, let's move on to something a bit more historical. Chichen Itza.
Chichen Itza, one of the 7 wonders of the world.
It is. I mean, I've seen that famous pyramid, El Castillo.
El Castillo.
It's just incredible. But give us a little historical background. What was Chichen Itza?
Well, it was a major center of Mayan civilization,
Okay.
bustling city-state, flourished between the 8th and 12th centuries.
Wow.
Population was in the tens of thousands.
That's a lot of people for back then.
Hub of political,
Yeah.
religious,
Yeah.
and economic activity.
Okay. And what about that El Castillo pyramid? What's the significance of it?
Well, also known as the Temple of Kukulkan,
Okay.
it shows the Mayans' astronomical knowledge,
Oh, wow.
their architectural prowess,
Yeah.
and it's actually aligned with the solstices and equinoxes.
Oh, right. I've seen pictures of that. Yeah, where it looks like the serpents coming down the pyramid.
It's pretty incredible.
It is incredible. Now, I know this is a popular site, so are there any tips for avoiding the crowds?
World Wild Hearts recommended going early in the morning or late in the afternoon.
Okay, good tip.
And if you want to really dive deep,
Yeah.
they suggest hiring a guide.
Okay, very cool. So pretty accessible, right? You can get there from a lot of places.
You can. You can do day trips from Valladolid, Tulum, Playa del Carmen, Cancun even.
All right, very cool. So that's Chichen Itza. And next up is Tulum, which seems to be a huge tourist destination these days.
So they're very popular.
Very popular, yeah, with the ruins on the cliff overlooking the Caribbean.
The beaches.
It's pretty iconic. But I also hear that it can get quite crowded.
It can. It can get crowded.
Yeah. So is it still worth a visit, do you think?
I think it depends.
Okay.
What are you looking for? What's your travel style?
Yeah, good point.
But World Wild Hearts said there's a diverse range of activities.
Okay.
Aside from just the beaches and the ruins,
Mhm.
they really love the cenotes.
Oh, the cenotes. Yeah, of course, there's cenotes everywhere.
There are cenotes everywhere.
So which ones did they like around Tulum?
They recommended Grand Cenote, which is known for its clear water, intricate cave system, and you can see turtles and fish there.
Oh, cool.
And then also Cenote Calavera
Okay.
has like a skull-shaped opening,
Oh, wow.
and you can do some thrilling jumps there.
Okay. Yeah, a little bit more adventurous.
A little more adventurous.
Awesome. So we got beaches, ruins, cenotes. Sounds like a lot to do in Tulum.
Plenty to do.
All right, so we're going to move on to Valladolid, which is deep in the Yucatan jungle.
Authentic Mexican experience there.
Yeah, so like a traditional...
Traditional town.
Okay, what's it like?
You can wander down colorful colonial streets,
Oh, nice.
explore the markets,
Yeah,
enjoy the local cuisine,
nice.
and it's a great base for exploring Chichen Itza.
Okay, so you can stay there and just pop over to Chichen Itza.
Exactly.
Okay. Any cenotes around there we should know about?
Oh, there's some incredible cave cenotes.
Oh, the cave ones.
Sutun, Ixkaken, Samula.
Okay, I'm writing all this down. I'm getting so many ideas for my trip.
Yes.
All right, and then from Valladolid, we're going to go to another Mayan ruin site, which is Ekbalam.
Ekbalam.
Ekbalam. And what's unique about this one?
Well, unlike a lot of the Mayan ruins,
Yeah.
you can actually climb the stairs
Oh, really?
of 2 major pyramids there.
Wow.
So you can get, up close and personal
Wow. Okay.
with the Mayan culture. World Wild Heart said it was just awe-inspiring.
Oh, I bet. And is it close to Valladolid?
Just a short hop.
Okay, so you can do them together.
Easy addition to your itinerary.
Very nice. Okay. And last but not least, we are headed to World Wild Heart's #1 pick, which is Isla Holbox.
Isla Holbox.
Tell me everything.
It is basically a paradise.
Okay.
White sand beaches, calm azure waters,
Ooh.
pure relaxation.
Sounds pretty good.
No cars allowed.
No cars.
No cars.
Wow, okay.
Adds to that tranquil atmosphere.
It does.
So you can walk,
Okay.
you can bike, you can take a golf cart.
All right, so what did World Wild Hearts recommend doing there?
Well, obviously enjoy the food.
Okay, good food.
Delicious food, they said. They also said to check out Punta Mosquito,
Okay.
which has these really cool sandbars.
Oh, wow.
And then for sunsets, they recommended Punta Cocos.
Okay, Punta Coco sunsets.
And that's also where you can see the bioluminescence.
Oh, wow. Bioluminescence.
So you can see both.
Wait, so like you can see the sunset and then see bioluminescence at the same spot.
At the same spot.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Unbelievable.
And don't forget, if you go between June and September,
Yeah.
whale sharks.
Oh, yeah, the whale sharks. I almost forgot.
The whale sharks.
So you can swim with whale sharks there.
You can.
That's
It's like-
incredible.
It's truly an experience.
What a place.
It is. It is.
Okay, well, that was World Wild Hearts top 10.
Top 10 picks.
And I have to say, I am ready to book a flight right now. This is incredible. Wow, part 1 of our Yucatan deep dive was packed with incredible destinations. I mean, swimming with whale sharks, exploring those hidden cave cenotes. It's clear the Yucatan has something for everyone.
It really does. And it's not just about the destinations themselves, it's also the journey between them.
Yeah, that's true. We've talked about ferries and bikes and rental cars. What about people who want to just sit back and relax? Like, how's the bus system?
The bus system in the Yucatan is actually quite good.
Oh, okay.
Comfortable, affordable.
All right, good to know. So you've got options for getting around. Now, we keep mentioning cenotes, but I don't think we've really talked about how they formed, like, the geology of it all.
Oh, it's fascinating.
Yeah, tell me more.
So basically, imagine rainwater over millions of years seeping through the limestone bedrock,
Okay.
dissolving the rock,
Okay.
creating this network
Right.
of underground rivers and caves.
Oh, wow. Like those cave systems we were talking about with the stalactites and stalagmites?
Exactly. And sometimes the ceilings of those chambers collapse, creating openings to the surface.
Oh, so that's how you get a cenote.
That's how you get a cenote.
So it's like a window into this underground world.
Exactly. And what's even more amazing is that many of these cenotes are interconnected,
Really?
forming this vast underground river system.
Wow. That's pretty mind-blowing.
The ancient Mayans,
Yeah.
they were really connected to this.
Oh, yeah, they were sacred places.
Sacred gateways
To the underworld.
to the underworld.
Yeah. Makes you wonder what they knew about these underground systems, right?
It really does. And, speaking of the Mayans,